How to get Alibaba promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you're gonna find the search box, type in Alibaba promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Alibaba. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, coupon follow. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offers. 55% off, $20 off, $10 off, $50 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just click on see details. So here's the code, you can copy it, then click on redeem at Alibaba. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Alibaba. Now log into your account, make your purchase, and while you proceed to checkout, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code, and just for that, you'll get the discount. Also, make sure to try out all the offers, as in this page, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals. Make sure to go through this website, as this website will also provide a working promo code for Alibaba. Well, this is how you can easily get Alibaba promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.